All right, in this quick video, I'm going to be talking about LUTs and why I hate using Premiere Pro LUTs. When color grading in Premiere Pro, you guys are probably familiar with this Lumetri Colors panel. Now, if we create an adjustment layer and drag that over our footage, we can go ahead and experiment with opening up our Lumetri color, coming into the creative panel, and you'll be able to see all the LUTs that Premiere Pro comes with. Now, you do have the option under the look to, browse for LUTs. You can install LUTs that have been purchased or bought online. You can just simply click browse, locate the LUT file, and import it. You can also go through, preview what these LUTs are going to look like on your footage, and then double click any one that you want. The reason why this is one of the things I hate most about Premiere Pro is just the LUTs are garbage. They're really not good, very basic, like Instagram filters. So it's important to just know that you can, intensify the LUT or bring it down. So that's something that you can use if you do like using LUTs in Premiere Pro. Just reduce the intensity on them and they'll look a lot better. But I recommend going in and browsing or adding custom LUTs that have been purchased or downloaded from third parties, bringing them into Premiere Pro. That's one of the good things. And once you do that, once you add a LUT, you will be able to view it, usually at the very bottom. And then you can preview, double click it to apply it to your adjustment layer and continue editing. I did just record a video on the 10 things that I hate most about Premiere Pro. LUTs was one of them, I think number 7 or 8. That's why I'm recording this quick kind of video to go in and explain what I meant by that. It's not that Premiere Pro doesn't use LUTs, it's just the fact that they're not great. So it's important to be able to know that you can add different LUTs and do that in Premiere Pro.